Hey there, guys. Dan here from Trading College. Just wanting to talk really broadly about the theme of AI, artificial intelligence. What does it mean? When I've worked in technology before I became a professional trader about sort of 10 years ago. And, we saw this the sort of intelligence in machines coming in, in the technology I was deploying into organizations and this digitization. And if we think about that from a market's perspective, we're looking. I've got the Nasdaq here, which I love looking at these kind of themes within the markets and looking on how that there was a reflection on that. So I'm just going to a yearly chart here on the Nasdaq. It's fantastic. We have got look at this, guys. Here, I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Here, just this was the dot-com bubble, what they call the bubble. Okay, so big move up in tech. Yeah, okay, it had a little, had a wobble, did have an effect, but it was the beginning of the internet. When people were really putting sales of goods online, okay, and talking about services and things like that online. We can see it here on our charts. It's green. It was this green buying, and to be honest, the Nasdaq has just sort of continued, right? And then we've had this huge boom, and it's this huge theme through Wall Street, through on the FTSE, on the London Stock Exchange, of AI and how it's expanding our capacity and our ability to produce results, right? And really, what are we talking about? We're talking about machines taking former data and giving us results that give us a probabilistic outcome, right? And actually in trading, we're using that all the time, right? The pros, come and learn with us. We can teach you about this and how we use our systems. You're looking here at tracks. It's one of our new indicators. It's just sort of green, buy the greens, sell the reds. Really quite simple. Putting your faith in the machine, okay, and letting the machine find the patterns and find the history and look at the past and really help you with your trading, right? Because I think if you're there looking at company results, trying to work out if a C-level exec is moving, if that's going to affect the price, what's happening geopolitically, all this sort of stuff that comes at you from a fundamentals point of view, I think it's so much to keep up with. For me, the chart, truths in the charts, and the charts are about AI. Okay, they're about a machine looking back at previous data, learning from it, and showing you your entries. Okay, and this is what we do at Trading College. We teach you to trade the charts, and we have our system in the background. So this is the track system, really simple. Guys, it's available for you. It's so simple. Green buy, reds, for selling. Obviously, we teach you about a little bit more in depth on markets and how they move and what to focus on. But really, guys, it couldn't be simpler. So that's the tracks. Amazing sort of here. Let me just hide that shortly. I'm going to put that PTS system, which is our sort of core system, and it's pretty similar. We've got a few other things going on here. You've got to see some red arrows and things like that, which is another indicator to say that actually it might go down that day. But we see this theme in the Nasdaq, and it just keeps on going, guys. What a fabulous move this was from October, with the Fed pivot. AI is just this, where we're going to get the growth from, and I see it in all of my own trading. I see I'm using a machine, and I'm interpreting that machine. I'm sending that machine looking for opportunities in the direction that I want. So there's some human interaction, but the machine is doing the work. Okay, the machine is doing the work. It's giving me the signals to buy. You can see it here. Look at that flashing on and off with the PTS. It's telling me, this is a buy, and it's giving me some targets to hit. It couldn't be simpler, guys. Having traded manually using fundamentals, using complex indicators, these sorts of things, nothing beats PTS and the tracks in my experience. And it's available to you guys. Come and learn with us. Come and learn from the pros. For me, I am putting AI and technology to use so much more than I ever did. I'm a day trader. I spend a lot of time at the screen, but actually as I grow and I progress and I get a little bit older, really I just want freedom. So I'm letting the machine take the heavy load. Okay, so I take the buys and the sells that the machine gives me, and I just pause that share there. I've actually got we've got now our bot. Okay, so our bot is version of sort of AI. Let me just stop this share and I'll bring up the bot. We have, a machine taking trades for us, which is amazing, guys. I can't tell you what a revolution this is for us. Let me just bring this up. It's really amazing. I can't speak more highly of it. I'll give you a quick look at it so you can sort of see it. But I have the bot taking trades for me, right? This is a form of AI. I'm putting my trust in the machine, letting the machine get on and do its stuff. I'm creating sort of signals for it to grab, and then we're just sort of letting the machine do the work, and I will then reap the benefits, and I'll take the lifestyle. Thank you very much. AI, this core theme, I see it more and more in trading. Let me just show you this. Here we go. So here's the bot. It's a little quick look into it. You can see I can set up these signals for the bot to sort of take. I've got some shorts on the yen pairs there, and we've sort of taken a little trade there. And it's and then gold. I've got this one's on pause at the moment. It's all linked to Telegram, right? Again, I'm using machines in my routine to make my life easy. I've got Telegram on my phone. It fires a signal to my phone. I'm going to take that trade. I can take that phone on my trader. I've got my brokers on my phone. If you're into funded accounts, you can look at your pricing and take trades just like I do every day. When you're out and about, from a freedom perspective, I can trade on the sun lounger. I can trade on a walk. I can trade sat at a park bench. I can trade, waiting for the kids to get out of school. If you're working, you're in meetings, you can have signals sent to you, and our bot's really great for that. It sets up these signals, it will send you signals, and this is the progression, right? My bot now is live trading for me. Look at this in these yen pairs and this gold. They're just small trades, but I'm looking at cumulative gain, nice gains, nice returns. Just the bot taking trades. I've been shorting the yen pairs because we've had the signal PTS set up, and I've been going long on gold, right? Long on gold. Gold at the moment is big hedge for people in stock markets, and long's been the way. And the bot has been bashing out long trades without me having to touch it. I'm just sending it on its way. It's looking at the past, interpreting that data like any sort of artificial intelligence, like a bot, a robot. And it's saying, right, that's a good probabilistic outcome. And that's informing me, amazing, this theme of AI and how we're deploying it now into trading. You can see here, stocks as well. Look at that, stock short. Well, look at these results, stock short here, $151. I didn't do any work. I literally just set the bot up. It probably took me 5 minutes, set it up, and I just set it to work, and it shorted the stock market yesterday. These are sort of relatively modest gains. I'm probably making more money in my manual trading, but I'm just scaling up with the bot, and I'm letting the bot just be this AI in the background. Guys, I really ask you to come and join us here at Trading College. We are on top of the AI story, the theme of AI, whether it's buying AI in markets, the NASDAQ, NVIDIA, microcomputers, these sorts of things, or whether it's deploying AI in our actual trade strategies. We're right at the forefront, and I don't see anyone else particularly on the market that's doing this. So, come and join us at Trading College, and you can learn to trade a bot, and you can learn to trade the markets using a system that learns from the past, uses data just like AI, and makes your life easy to give you freedom. And that's really what we're looking for: financial freedom, freedom to just get on with our day. If you're working, I've got a number of my students, my mentees, they've still got their day jobs, they're running businesses, and they're sort of trading on the side. They're now deploying this bot, they're deploying the system, the tracks, PTS, and it's making them money as a side hustle. some of them are progressing to being professional traders. And the way they're doing that, they can't believe how easy it is. They can't believe how straightforward it is and how little time it takes. That's so different from poring over financial results, lots of news, trying to balance all this off with fundamentals. They're just letting the machine go and find the setups, give them the signal, and they take them, banking the profit, and we finish there. So hope it helps, guys. Come and join us, come and check out some of what we're doing around AI. It's making everyone I know's life easier from a trading point of view. Every good trader I know is deploying the machine and using it in this fashion. So yeah, do come and join us. Ask for a call back. Get on the website and get a call back, and our guys in the office can talk to you about how to get involved with the bot and the PTS and tracks. Cheers, guys.